Hi everybody, welcome to Aaron's World. Welcome to my channel. What are we going to show them? What are you going to make for them today, Aaron? Show them your candies. This is one of the crates he's going to show you how to make. And this is the second one. Ta-da! Hey everybody, welcome to Aaron's World. This is his first video, and like most of his videos, his mommy, is going to be helping him. So today we will be making these little Valentine crates strictly from the Dollar Tree. Everything in those two crates are from the Dollar Tree. So if you guys want to see how you and your toddler could do something super cute for Valentine's, maybe for their kinder teacher or something like that, this is the perfect idea, and it's very inexpensive. So if you guys want to see how we did it, all you gotta do is keep on watching.
This is my kitchen.
Yes, this is Aaron's kitchen, and today he is going to be showing you how to make a Valentine's DIY strictly with stuff from the Dollar Tree. He got all of this stuff is gonna go in that little crate, and every little thing that he got is from the Dollar Tree. But before he starts putting everything together, hi Mom. Before he starts putting everything together, he is going to paint his little crate with these two right here. He's gonna use red. He wants to use red, so he's gonna paint this red. So before we get started, he's going to do that. And we need to take off the sticker from the bottom. And let's get started. Okay, so now that he has his little crate all painted up with red on the outside, we didn't do anything to the inside, but you can if you want.
Okay.
All we're gonna do is grab this little booklet of stickers that we also bought from the Dollar Tree, and we're just gonna put them on the front. So we're gonna put the crate on its side, and he's going to pick some stickers. There are some holographic stickers. I think we're gonna use this one right here that says Happy Valentines. So come on. There you have it. He decided to put what is this? A strawberry? No, this one. What is this one?
Strawberries.
A strawberry and a cherry on one side. On the other side, he put up the apples. And we decided to put the Happy Valentine sticker with the two donuts. We're not going to put anything on this side, and I'll show you why. But for right now, this is what we have. Let me move this out of the way. So now we are going to arrange all this makeup goodies that we got. Every little thing from the Dollar Tree. We got eyeshadow from LA Colors. We got lashes. 2 of them. This one came in a form of a lollipop. We got tweezers. We got a makeup remover sponge thing.
SpongeBob.
we got another eyeshadow palette, a quad by LA Colors, makeup brushes, a set of 3,
Take it off, Mommy.
a lip exfoliator
Take it off,
by
Mommy.
Rose,
Take it off, Mommy.
by Remy Rose, I'm
Take it off,
sorry,
Mommy.
Remy Rose,
Take it off, Mommy. Take it off, Mommy.
and a mascara by Smoke and Mirrors.
Take it off.
Then we found this cute little heart by Beauty. It says beauty is found in the
Take it off,
imperfections.
Take it off, Mommy.
No, not yet. Show them the heart. Show them the mirror. It's a mirror. Show it to them. Show it to the camera. Open it up. Show it to the camera.
Glasses.
No, it's a mirror. It's a double-sided mirror. But that was super cute. It's a heart. And then a soap that says love on it. And last but not least, this other shower bar that this comes in a little tin, so you could kind of use this to wash your makeup brushes. So all of this is gonna go in here, in this side. Like so. So this is the finished product. This, you could put it in a little bag if you want, or you could do what I'm going to do, which is I'm going to use my hot glue and glue the crate to his little feet. That way it's not plopping up like this. But yeah, this is the final product. Tell me what you guys think. As you can tell, it's kid friendly. My son is 4 years old and he completed this by himself. And now on to the second crate. Okay, and for the second crate, we already painted it pink and we left it as is from the inside. Still, as you can tell, a little wet, but it's okay. For this crate, we're going to use these stickers right here, which are pretty much foam stickers. And he is going to decorate the entire side of it. So for this one, we kept it more simple and more kid friendly. All we did was put stickers all around, and all I did was write kisses, 25 cents on it. And now,
It's time to decorate it.
yeah, we're decorating.
Decorate it, Baba. Decorate it, Baba.
And now for the fun part, just stuffing it with kisses. And I bought these little kisses from the Dollar Tree also. I bought silver ones and red ones. So, come on, let's put the kisses in the crate. Here, dump them in there. Aquí. Put them in there.
It's empty.
It's empty now. We're going to do another one. So obviously 3 little baggies wasn't enough. I should have bought another silver one, but you get the idea. This is how you do it. This is just a super easy one that, you know, a toddler could do on its own. So this is pretty much right here the finished product that they could do 100% themselves. If you want to go a little bit above and beyond to make it a little bit nicer, all you gotta do is, like I said, grab your Dollar Tree straws. And I actually did I cut one straw in half, and I put each half into the other one so I can make it tall. And up here, all I had him do was I just cut a piece of cardboard and I had him put stickers on here too. And all you gotta do is stuff it in here. And there you have it. So if you want to go above and beyond, all you gotta do is get your little straws. I almost forgot the word. And all you gotta do is hot glue the straws to the inside corners. This one didn't stick, but it's okay. All you gotta do is hot glue the sticks in here, and you could put like a little piece of cardboard here or a popsicle stick, one of those thick ones, but we didn't have any. And we painted it pink, the same color as the crate, and he put his little XOXO on it. And now we can restuff it. Let's put the candy back in here. Oh wait. And there you have it. Here is another way.
Outside!
All done.
Outside!
And there you have it.
It's fun!
It's fun?
It's fun!
Did you have fun making this, Papa?
That's fun!
So there you go. Everything again from the Dollar Tree and super kid friendly to make. I know this wasn't the best tutorial, but please be patient with us. It was our first tutorial. So we're gonna keep coming up with a little bit more stuff for you guys to do with your kid, obviously. Like I said, my son's 4 years old and this is what he's been helping me with. So here are the 2 little crates from the Dollar Tree that you could give to your sisters, to your mom, to grandma, whoever you want. And it's really, really inexpensive and fun to make. So thank you guys so much for watching. Come here.
Red button.
Press the red button. Subscribe.
Bye.
Bye. See you soon. Thank you guys so much for joining us in our first video. Like I said, this is Aaron's World and his mommy. We are doing Valentine's videos this week. So if you guys want to see more DIYs catered to toddlers, to little kids, all you got to do is hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you can get notified whenever we upload a new video. Thank you guys so much for watching and supporting, and we will see you next time. Bye!